The vast amount of life that exists in the ocean exhibits an ever-expanding and what seems like limitless biodiversity. When looking just at invertebrates, organisms which lack a spinal column, there is an extreme amount of unusual characteristics that exist among these animals. Jellyfish are easily one of the most recognizable invertebrates that have a huge amount of variation amongst them. With some as small as a pin and some as large as a fully grown human, we are constantly discovering more species and learning more about these unusual creatures. Jellies feed off of phytoplankton and various small fish as well as their larvae, yet they provide a meal for other sea life as well. They also are a home for many animals which have adapted to withstand their stinging tentacles. They also wow us with an electric display of lights in some species through something called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the ability of various creatures to create their own personal light show. This feature is also extremely common in various squids and octopi, as they use their tentacles to propel themselves through the water. Chromatophore cells in their skin expand and contrast to change the appearance of their color. These color-changing abilities are used to communicate amongst themselves and camouflage themselves from predators. It also helps in catching their own prey. Squid and octopi are easily one of the most alien-like creatures, both in appearances and behavior. Every squid has 3 hearts, and they move through the ocean tail first instead of head first. Squids have often inspired sea tales of monstrous creatures such as the kraken, which was said to have taken down full ships with its enormous tentacles. Scientists are continually working to explore these legendary animals as we can venture deeper and deeper into the ocean. The octopus is another amazing invertebrate found in the ocean. What makes the octopus so unique is their intelligence. They are also known to solve puzzles in research labs and use tools when hunting prey. Another invertebrate many of us are familiar with is the starfish. Of the over 2,000 different varieties of starfish that exist, there are limitless colors, features, and sizes of different starfish. They are known for their ability to regrow from limbs which have been damaged or cut off. This is because sea stars house all of their vital organs in their limbs. Sea stars also have no blood in their bodies, but rather filtered seawater that courses through them and powers them along the sea floors. Coral reefs house many invertebrate species, which themselves are invertebrates as well. Although reefs only cover 0.2% of the ocean, they house approximately 25% of its species, making them a hotspot for biodiversity. To preserve our rich ocean life of not just invertebrates but all species, we must ensure the health of our ocean by combating global warming and water pollution in order to keep the weird and alien-like invertebrates of our